All right, so let's go over to the users under the model user, right, and make that bigger. All right, and then I can just Alt enter here and create test. All right, and it's going to suggest test user, and it's also going to allow me to create a template for testing the fields. What I typically do is a tester for the setters for these things and not the getters, because you're going to end up testing both inside there. So I just one's the set it and then you verify it and good, it's there, right? For this, I don't need a setup or teardown, right? And this is just mostly this is just a exercise in making sure that your unit test environment is set up and to verify that you can do unit testing. And I'll show you a little bit about how to use unit testing in like a day-to-day thing.
How did you create that class? I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, that was just right. I'll enter on the.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yep. Yeah. Option return on the user.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah. And that,
for the getters.
yeah, and I just check the setters. You could also decide to use the getters, but I would try to be consistent. And then, yeah.
Where do you place that new file, that user test?
Oh, yeah. So let's go find it, right? So I'm going to hit this.
Should be under test.
It's under your. So you see, you have the top level main, and then you have the top level test.
Yeah.
So this is the test class path includes test and main. The main class path, which is used in your production building, is only main, right? So setting the first name, right, is we'll create a user, right, and say set first name first, right, and then we'll say assert equals, and I always like to say what we expect and what we got. Okay. And then we can do last name.
We could just do this in like a setup method too, right? Like set all three first name, last name, birthday.
You could, yeah, and I'm going to show you that in a second. That would be another way to do it. I'll do that next. I'll do another test. I'll do another one with that. I did that wrong. I want to do a date here. Java util date. Right, and then user bd equals new user bd dot set birthday date, right, and then you want to say assert equals the date and birthday dot get date. Pretty straightforward.
Okay, so it just leaves the date as null.
No, it's setting the date to this date you created here.
Okay, so if you just do new date, that's current date?
Yeah,
Oh, I see.
yeah, doesn't matter. You could specify a date here if you wanted to, but this just the date is the value is initiated here, and all you're doing is test.
Yep, that makes
Right.
sense.
So if you want to run these tests in the IDE, you notice there's the green goes next to each of them, or I could run all of them here.
That's in community too.
Is it? Yeah, I thought it was. And then so I can say run unit tests, and it gives you okay.
Right.
Record scratch.
Such modules does not exist.
Okay, what happened here?
Yeah, it's
Can't
working. It's
find
working
that.
for me. Yeah.
It's working for you guys?
Like not
Yeah,
finding the
mine
users.
So
they have to
Wow.
import the,
no, your user should automatically.
Yeah.
Oh, you have this. Why do you have a blank
no,
input
no,
state?
it's
Let
not.
me restart my end.
Still, it's not. It doesn't resolve the user. It seems you cannot see that.
For me, there's all the user.
This is so weird.
Yeah, try saving it, and then just hitting the run button. Maybe it just needs, just give it a second. No, resolve the user.
Yeah.
Where's your test?
Maybe it's, okay.
Take the model user test,
Yeah.
and can you compare? Yes, I do.
All right, well, it works for you guys. That's all that matters. I'll fix this during the break.
It's not working for Chi though.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
What are you getting for an error?
It's they can't resolve the user. All the things you see all
Did you
red.